Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel, Two Brothers Outdoors.
And one dog.
And one dog.
One mascot.
Alright guys, so tonight we're going to take this cherry log and slab it. It's only about 6 foot long, so it's been kind of a challenge to dog it down.
Yep.
But we got it. I'll explain how we did it in just a minute. Miss Tilly's getting used to her new home and the mill, obviously.
She's loving it.
Yeah, I guess. Hey, do that way.
No, don't.
All right, guys, we're going live on the 17th of this month at 8 p.m. Is that correct?
8 p.m. Yep, Saturday.
8 p.m. We're going to have some special guests on. We're going to form a panel of knowledgeable sawyers and foresters. And we're going to try to do this once a month. And we're going to try to get some forestry equipment manufacturers on with us as guests.
Yes, that'd be awesome.
To highlight and explain some of the stuff that they have. So this may be a pretty interesting thing. So make sure you join us on the 17th of this month, February, at 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
On YouTube.
Eastern Standard Time.
Eastern Standard Time.
Sure you know that. New York time.
All right, guys. You saw that I put the, or you're going to see after this introduction, you'll see where I put the split maple on my mill. We don't know what we're going to do with that yet. There's obviously stress in it. So leave in the comments what you think we should do with that log. I'm thinking slabbing it up. Customer coming Saturday to pick this up. And some more, I hope.
Yes.
All right, get your mill fired up and warmed up. Okay, guys. Tim's over there loading a small cherry up on his mill. We're going to grab this maple that barber chaired on us. And it didn't split all the way. It's a pretty clear maple other than the crack down the center. Don't know for sure what we're going to do with it yet. But we're going to get it on the mill. We're having some really nice temperatures right now. I'm not complaining about this winter at all. We've had no snow to speak of. And cold temperatures, not too bad either. So while Tim's loading that cherry up on the mill, I'm going to go ahead and load this on my mill. And we will saw this when we figure out what we're going to do with it. Not real sure yet what we're going to do. I'm sure this log, being leaner, has some stress in it. Might be just ahead to go ahead and slab it up. Sell it as slabs. Maybe a couple of 2-inch slabs on either side of the pith. People seem to like wide 2-inch slabs for stuff. You can obviously see that there is going to be some stress in this log. It didn't even split where the pith is. It split beyond the pith. Well, as soon as I get this set on the mill, we'll head over to Tim's to cut that cherry up. Better raise it up just a little bit more. I want to take a chance on bumping the track. All right, Paul and Andy, did you see that? Backed it right in on the first try. That's because Tim's not here being a cameraman. Okay. Park the four-wheeler. Drop the log arch. Head over to Tim's. All right, guys, let's go over Tim's. All right, you can see Tim's dropped a very small log on his mill. It's about 8 foot, about an 8-inch log. It's only about 6 foot long. It's gonna be a little bit of a challenge to get this one dogged down. All you basically gotta do is get a flat spot on it. Once you get a flat spot on it, then we're golden. Until he's getting more and more used to the sawmill, starting to get involved with more stuff. And starting to get into more stuff. Dilly, everybody say hi. Say hi. Say hi. All right, guys, the biggest challenge to get this log is to get it. The biggest challenge about this log is to get it dogged down. So we took a piece of hardwood, 2x3, and we ran it along the backside up against the stops here on the track. And then toe boarded it up just a little bit because it is got a curve in it.
And we got Miss Tilly testing it out, make sure.
And we were able to dog it down low here. And one thing nice about the track on the Patriots and the smaller mills is you can actually flip the dogs over backwards. Well, if you put the modification on them that we did. So we're able to lock it down with 2 dogs. And this dog is trying to eat the log. Hey,
2 dogs outdoors.
we don't eat logs.
Not the cherry, anyway.
All right, so this log is going to be sawed up into slabs. We have somebody coming Saturday morning to pick up slabs. They got to be less than 11 3/4 inches wide. This is another one of those things we were talking about. There's no log too small. This log normally would have been left in the woods, was thrown on the back of a truck for pulpwood. That's got some nice grain in it. Look at that. Billy likes it. Go, boy. Look at me up. Look at this. Oh my God! She is freaking strong! Oh. I don't know what's more interesting, watching Tim or watching the dog try to steal this piece of wood off the trailer. I put the wood on the trailer and she's taking it off. Oh my God! Just trying to get this off the Sawmill. She certainly.
What she was doing my tools Sunday. Anything you show an interest in, she grabs it. Didn't Biscuit used to do that to you? Ella. You know how to scrape these first, Rick? You know how to scrape these
We'll
first?
just brush them off before we put them in the box.
It's got a nice grain to it.
Yeah. Beautiful grain. Look at that. Nice and red.
Oh, these are white. No wonder she's carrying it around.
All right. Go get your board from your dog and put it on the trailer.
Kelly,
I'll take that.
come. Come here. Come. I'm not in trouble. We're here. Come get your board. That's Tilly's board right here. That's Tilly's. This is Tilly's. Ready? Ready? This is Tilly's board. This one. Okay, that's your stick. This one will not. See? Watch. Ready? Ready? Go get it. She'll jump that high.
You always carry boards over your head?
Oh, wait.
It's good exercise.
No. No. I said no.
All right, guys. We got that squared away pretty fast. I think we got enough wood for this customer. It's going to be less than 12 inches wide. We do still have some nice wide stuff. I'm surprised we haven't sold that yet. We got some cherry over here that's 15, 16 inches wide, 1 inch thick.
Beautiful.
And we got all this quarter-sawn.
Beautiful.
And don't forget, we got the alligator still. See the alligator on the back wall?
Not around back alligator.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming along with us tonight. And next is going to be that split maple. Tell us how you think we should saw it. Leave it down there in the comments.
Yeah.
All right, guys. If you're not a subscriber to our channel, hit that subscription button.
Thumbs up, guys. We appreciate you, each and every single one of them.
And the
Keep
channel
them
loves
coming,
it.
please.
Helps the channel.
Keep them coming.
And by the way, all this stuff is still free.
Notifications bell. Why?
Well, you don't want to miss any more of our future videos. That's why.
Or even our playlist. or anything else.
Starting to look like a damn hillbilly here.
Leave me alone.
Shave that thing off.
Nope,
Spring is here.
It's never coming off again.
Spring is here.
I like it.
All right, guys. Until the next one, we will catch you later. And that's a wrap.
Maybe I should be Grizz.
That's a wrap.
Maybe I should be Grizz. North Bush Grizz.